Hello students, are you preparing for Rust Military School's Common Entrance Exam? If yes, this is the video for you, as we are going to solve HCF and LCM previous year questions from 2018 to 2024. Before solving, remember one golden rule. Product of two numbers equals to product of LCM and HCF. So let's start with the first question was in 2024. The HCF of two numbers is 45 and LCM is 315. So we know that I told you the rule. So HCF into LCM equals to product of two numbers. In this case, LCM and HCF is given and even one number is given. So we have to find out second number. So HCF is 45, LCM is 315. One number is 175 and we have to find out the other number. So what we have to do, this will be in the division and we can find out. So when we talk about this, we can multiply, you can multiply the numerators and then divide by 175, but as the numbers will be bigger, so it's better to cut them. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are. Again by 5 7s are, and it will be 5 6s are 30 and 5 3s are. 7 1s are 7 9s are 63. 9 into 9 is 81. So B part is the right answer. Second question is LCM of 20, 48 and 45. Very easy. Again we will go with the division method. So 20, 48 and 45. 20 and 48 are divisible by 2. So we will divide by 2. So 2 10s are 2 24 and 45 as it is, again by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 12s are 24, 45 as it is. We can divide by 5 because two numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5 12, 5 9s are. Now this can be by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are. Now these are not having any common, you can say, factor, so we can stop here only. Now while multiplying, we will not multiply by this because 2 5s are 10, so we will put 1 0 at the end. So let's multiply remaining numbers. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 2s are 72. 72 into 10 will be 720. I hope it is clear. Next question is, find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder of 6 in each case. So what exactly we are supposed to do? We have to find out LCM of all these four numbers and then we will add remainder which is showing that is 6 to it. Now before moving further, as all these numbers are multiples of 2 and even 6 is multiple of 2, so the number which we will be getting is of even type. So these two cases can't be possible, so we are left with these only. So it is going to help you if you have done some silly mistakes, so it is going to help you that this is not to be considered. All these terms are divisible by 4, so I'm going straight away with 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 4 6s are and 4 9s are. Now by 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and now all these numbers are, maximum of them are divisible by 3. 3 1s are, 2 will remain as it is, 3 1s are and 3 3s are. Now let's see. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 into 3, 48 into 3, 8 3s are 24, to carry 4 3s are 12 plus 2 is 144 plus 6 is 150. I hope it is clear. Let's move to the next question. 2 bags of wheat weighing 65 kg and 169 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weights of 16 such containers. See students, here 16 is immaterial because if 2 bags of 65 and 165 can be measured, so even 16 bags of such type or 100 bags of such type can be measured. So we have to find out HCF of 65 and 169. Better way is to go with the division, though these numbers are easy, so you can go with the other way also. So the factors of 65 is 5 into 13, while 169 is square of 13. So common is 13 is the answer, so it is quicker. Otherwise I am giving the second way also. You divide 169 by 65. 65 2s are what? 130. Subtract 39, 65. Again 39 1s are 39. Subtract 15 minus 9 will be 6. Here 5 minus 3 will be 2. 39. 1s are 26, subtract it. 9 minus 6 will be 3 and 1. And if you will divide 26 by 13, 13 2s are. So this is HCF. So this, whichever way you want to go, you can go. If this way the numbers were easy, we can do. Otherwise, you go with this way and get the answer. Now, all the questions which were there in 2024 are done. These are questions of 2023. The product of two co-prime number is 117. Then their LCM. Now, when we talk about the product, co-prime numbers have HCF as 1. It means there is nothing common in them. So their LCM will also be 117. I hope it is clear. Co-prime numbers have nothing common in between. It means the answer HCF and LCM will be same. Or you can say HCF will be 1 and product of two numbers will be same of HCF into LCM. LCM is 1, so HCF is left as 1 as it is. Second question, the LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. The sum of their LCM and HCF is 1740. If one number is 24, what is the other number? So now what we have to do, let the number be x, let the HCF be x. I am talking about this number, but no space, so I am solving here for you. We will start from here. So HCF, it is given LCM is what? 28 times of HCF. And we know that LCM plus HCF, it is given that equals to 1740. One number is 240. So we have to find out HCF. So let other number to be found out, but before that we need to find out HCF. So let HCF equals to x. So LCM will become what? 28x. We know that the sum of LCM plus HCF is 1740. So 28x plus x equals to 1740. 29x equals to 1740. When you divide 29, this number by 29, 29 ones are 29 60s are. So the value of HCF is what? Equals to 60. Now we know that the product of two numbers and we know that the numbers. So what it is? One number is 240, other number we have to find out, and we know that 60 is what? HCF, and LCM will be what? 60 into 28. So it will be 1680. Or you can say x equals to 100800 divide by 240. 0 से 0 कटा बच्चा, this is 0, and it will be by 420 times. So the answer is this way. I hope it is clear. This is little tricky question. You have to give more time. Let's do the other one. What is the least number which when divided by 24, 36 leaves in each case the same remainder 8? So this is again the question which we have already done. We have to find out LCM of 24 and 36 and then we have to add 8 to that. So how to find out LCM? 24, 36. Now both the numbers are divisible by 2. We will be going quicker. 2 ones, 12 2s are 12 3s are. So 12 6s are. 12 6s are what? 72. 72 plus 8 will be 80. I hope it is clear. HCF of 12 and 16 is. Now HCF is, we will go with the common division. So what we will do? We will divide bigger number by a smaller number. 12 ones are 4 and we know that 12 3s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So straight away we are getting, so 4 is the right answer. Now let's move. Amit exercise every 12 days and Ishan every 8 days. Amit and Ishan both exercise today. How many days will it be until they exercise together again? Let me put your pen. I'm stopping once. The spacing is less. Let me enter spacing better here. Okay, give me one more. Let me give here also so that it will be easy. Sorry for inconvenience, but then spacing problem is coming. Okay, so next question is, Amit exercise every 12 days and Ishan every 8 days. Amit and Ishan both exercise today. How many days will it be unite the exercise again? So again, what we have to find out? LCM. Here we have to find out what? LCM of 12 and 8. We know that LCM of 12 and 8 is what? Let me select pen now. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are. So 12 into 2 is 24. Again on 24. Find the greatest number which will exactly divide 200 and, so greatest number is what? HCF. So go with the division method. Divide 320 by 200. So 200 ones are 200. Subtract 120. 200. 120 ones are 120. Subtract 80, divide by 120, 80 ones are 80, you remainder got 40, divide 80 by 40, it is fully divisible. So answer is what? 40. I hope it is clear. Next question is HCF of 90, 96 and 10 is. So you can write easily by dividing, and you can, so what we will go? 90 HCF of 90, HCF of, we can say prime factorization. So 90 can be written as 245, 5933. So we can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. When we talk about 96, 2 4s are 18, 2 24, 2 12, 2 6 2 3. So 1 2 3 4 5, 5 2s, 3 4 5, and 10 will be written as 2 into 5. So all have only 2 1 2 common. So answer will be what? 2. Or you can go the other way. 1 can't be there because they are divisible by 2, or they are even number. 10 can't be there because all are not having 10. So we were left with 6 and this thing. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let's move to next. Now these questions are of 2022. The LCM of two prime numbers x and y, where x is greater than y, is 161. The value of 3y minus x is what? So what we have to do? It is given that x into y is what? 161. X is greater than that. It means what? How to get this number? 121 can be written as, 161 can be written as 7 into 23. It goes only in the table of 7. Now, as x is greater, so x is 23 is x while y is 7. So what is mentioned here? 3y minus x. So 3 into 7 minus 23. Say 3 7s are 21 minus 23 will be what? Minus 2 is the right answer. Next question. Find the smallest number which when divided by 5, 10, 15 and 25 leaves no remainder. It means what? We have to find out LCM of this. So what will be answer? 5, 10, 15, 25. All are divisible by 5. So 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 5. Now nothing is divisible. So what we can do? We can leave these two numbers. 5 3s are 15. 15 into 10 will be 150. The bell of 3 churches rings in the interval of 10, 12 and 15 minutes respectively. If these bells rings at 8:30 a.m. together, when will these bells ring next time together? So again, what we have to find out? We have to find out LCM of 10, 12 and 15. So 10, 12 and 15. So it will be, you can go with the 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are and 15. Now you can go with 5, 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Now with 3, so it is, you leave this thing, 3 2s are 6, 6 and means 60 minutes or 60. So first bell rang at 9 a.m. plus 60 will be what? 9:30 a.m. because first bell rings at 8:30 a.m. So second bell, next time they will be together at 9:30. I hope it is clear. The sum of first two common multiples of 9 and 12. Now when we talk about common multiples of 9 and 12, so first common multiple, what we can do? We can find out LCM of 9 and 12. So LCM of 9 and 12 is what? 3 3s are 3 4s are nothing is common. 9 4s are what? 36. So multiples of 36 and then 72. So the addition of 36, because it is given the sum of first two common multiples. So 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 3 is 10, so 108. I hope it is clear. Next question. Which group shows all the numbers that are common factor of 36 and 48? Now here you can go with, this is a D part here. Or okay, so now when we talk about this case, so we know that HCF of 36 and 38. 36 and 48, 12. 12 3s are 12 4s are. So 12, you are getting what? 12 is only the HCF, or you can divide by that, you can leave that also. So 12, so the factors of 12 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are in B part. Next question. What is the greatest common divisor of 54, 36 and 24? This was in 2021 and 2019. Okay, so this question was repeated even here also, this one also. So it was in 2022 also. This question was even in 2020. So I will not repeat that question, we can write here. Okay, the common factors of this is what? We have to find out HCF by dividing all with the common factor. We can go, just now I have shown you, if you seen here, I divided with the biggest number by which these both the numbers are divisible. So that is HCF. Same goes here. 54, 36 and 24. Which is the biggest number by which all these are divisible? 6. Because see 2 is divisible is 2 out of this 9. 9 may 24 is not divisible. So let's try with 6. So 6 9s are, 6 3s are, 6 6s are and 6 4s are. So right answer is 6. Find the greatest number which divides 468 and itna by leaving 6 as a remainder in each case. It means it is leaving remainder. So the numbers actually are what numbers? 486 minus 6 is 480 and the second number is 1030 minus 6 is what? 1024. So we have to in fact find out the, you can say, HCF of these two numbers. So if we find out HCF of these two numbers, how you will go? 30 can't be there, 60 can't be there, 64 से होता है या फिर 32 से, we will go with the, but it is highest common factor. So is it divisible by 64? We can check. Okay, let's try 480 by 64, or you can by this way you can cut the numbers. 4 1s are 4, 4 and 20, 4 6 are 4 1s are 20. 4 4s are 430. It is not divisible. So let's try with, it is not divisible. This is not there, this is not there. So we are left with 32 only. You can go this way also. And in this way, the option given to you are wrong. So you will be given better. So you can solve this way also. 8th question is HCF of 24 and 36 is. So biggest number by which both are divisible. So it is divided by 12 and 12 also. So answer is 12. 14 ke table mein they are not coming better. 6 is very small, 2 is also small, so we have to go with the highest number. So it is 12. Number 12 has got how many factors? There is biggest number divisible both exactly. So what is number of factors? So the prime factor form kya hota hai beta? Power of plus 1. So power plus 1. So prime factor forms, how we can write prime factor form of 12? It is 2 into 2 into 3, isn't it? Or we can write 2 to the power 3 in 2 to the power 2 and into 3 to the power 1. Are you getting me? We can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3, the multiples of prime number. Now put all the powers to all the prime numbers. There are 2 2s, so the power of 2 is 2 and there is only 1 3, so the power of 3 is 1. So what we have to do? We have to do 2 plus 1 and we have to do 1 plus 1. It means what? We are taking the power and we are incrementing by 1. So it is 3 into 2. It is 6. This is a way. So prime factor form is power plus 1 multiples. So take the powers and then add 1 to that, and that is the number of factors which will be there. I hope it is clear. Next question is, what is the biggest common divisor of 54, 36? I have done already. Next question is, LCM of 15, 20 and 30 is. So how to go with LCM? We know we have to divide 15. We can go here 15, then 20, comma 30. All are divisible by 5. 5 3s are, 5 4s are, 5 6s are. So again divide by 3. 3 1s are, 3 4, no change, 3 2s are, it is divided by 2. So 1, 2 and 1. So 5 and 2 we are not multiplying, 3 2s are 6, 6 into 10 is 60 is the right answer. Next question, the greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length 7 meter, 3 meter, 85 centimeter, 12 meter, 95 centimeter is. So what we will go with? We will convert the greatest length HCF after unit conversion. So first of all we will convert the units. So and then we will again find out. So if we convert this can be written as 700 centimeters. 3 meter 85 centimeter can be written as 385 centimeters. And 12 meter 95 centimeters can be written as 1295 centimeters. So I am solving this question at the bottom for you people. So let's solve here. 70. How you go with? Now we have to find out HCF of all these numbers. So HCF you can go with the prime factorization or you can go with the division method, and the answer coming will be 35 centimeter. Let me show you how it is going. 700 can be written as 35 into 2 into 2 into 5. 35 to the 70, 70 to 10 say. 385 can be written as 385 divided by 2, sorry 5. 5 7 the 35, carry 3, 3 and 5 35. So 5 7s are 7 11s are. So it is what? 385 can be written as 5 into 7 into 11. Same goes 1295 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are. This will be divided by which number? I think this is a prime number, so it is going to go with, it will be divided by 7. 7 2s are, 7 3s are 21 and 49 7 7s are. This is prime number, so it will be 1259 can be written as 5 into 7 into 37. So common is 5 7. This can also be written as 5 into 7 instead of this. So 5 7 5 7. So answer common is 35. 13th question. Cut HCF of 0.25, 1.8 and 2.7. So the way to convert is first remove the decimal, find HCF and then put decimal. So if we will remove the decimal of this, as it is having 2 digits after decimal, so we have to multiply all the number by 100. So it will become 24, it will become 180 and it will become 270. Find out HCF. HCF of both all the numbers is what? We can write it as 24 can be written as what? 2 into 2 4 और 6 जा होता है बेटा, तो 8 3 जा 24. How we can write 18? 3 into 3 9 into 2 is 18. 2 into 5. How we can write 27? 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. So what is common here? How many 2's are common? Only 2 3. Here 2 3, here 2 3 and here 2 and 3. So this is common. So HCF is what? 6. We had multiplied the numbers by 100, so we have to divide by 100. So it will be what? 0.06. I hope it is clear. Now the last question, HCF of 2.8, 3.6 and 1.2. The same way again we will convert into integers. So when we will convert into integers, we have to multiply by 10. So 28, 36 and 12. And then find out LCM of these numbers. So LCM will be, we will divide by them, 2, 14, 18, 6, again by 2, 2, 7, 2, 9, 2, 3, by 3. Okay, so this is the number which we have got. So we are getting 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42 2s are 84, 84 by 3. 8 3s are 12, carry 1, 24 plus 1 is 25. And as we have multiplied all the numbers by 10, so we have to divide by 10. So 25.2 is the right answer. Students, if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment on the video. Keep watching. I will be coming with the next chapter of your mathematics portion in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.